Hi, welcome back. Here's how to swap out the radio on a Nissan Serena C26. First of all, you have to use a pry tool to remove this, the air vent ducts, and then you use a pry tool to lift off this from around the gear shift. So that just comes up over the top of the gear shift. Then you use a pry tool to remove the climate controls, and there's 5 screws, 3 at the top and 2 underneath. And then the radio, this trim around the radio comes out and you can free the unit. I'm going to show the wiring connections now and label the wires so that it's easy to see which ones need to be used for the reversing camera if you want to keep using the reversing camera option on your new Android radio. So this is the model of the radio that was originally in the car, and on the back of the radio there's a 32-pin connector, and these are the 6 wires that you need to connect to so that you can use the factory fitted reversing camera that's already on the vehicle. Just note that there's a 6.2 volt power supply for the camera. If you feed it 12 volts it will kill the camera. Also, underneath the dash behind the radio there's a composite connector. It goes up to the monitor on the ceiling of the car if that happens to be fitted. And there's also an antenna connector, and there should be the correct adapter in the kit to let that get plugged in. This is a LM317 voltage regulator. It's set to 6.2 volts and that's to be used to power the factory camera, and just connect it up using the pins soldered onto the end of the wire so that it can poke into the connector socket there, and tape that up securely so that it doesn't come apart when it's put back behind the radio. And here it is installed. It's a neat looking unit, and I hope you were able to find this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye now.